The president has another very unusual controversy on his hands tonight. A federal court has ordered the administration to explain what the president meant when he suggested on Monday that the Supreme Court should think twice before overturning the national health care law. Here's Jan Crawford.
Many occasions.
It was a shot heard around the legal world. President Obama telling the Supreme Court it shouldn't rule the health care law unconstitutional.
I'm confident that the Supreme Court will not take what would be an unprecedented, extraordinary step of overturning a law that was passed by a strong majority of a democratically elected Congress.
Congressional Republicans immediately pointed out that would not be unprecedented. The justices, of course, have the power to overturn laws passed by Congress if the court decides they're unconstitutional. But now, in an escalating battle, a three-judge federal appeals court in Houston is ordering the Justice Department to explain by noon tomorrow whether President Obama really meant what he said. Judge Jerry Smith, a Reagan appointee, said the president's comments were not a small matter and have troubled a number of people.
I'm referring to statements by the president in the past few days to the effect that it is somehow inappropriate for what he termed unelected judges to strike acts of Congress.
Historically, presidents have tangled with the Supreme Court, most notably FDR over his New Deal legislation. With his signature legislation on the line, the president yesterday said he recognized the court's power, but he continued to imply there was only one right answer for the justices: uphold the law.
I don't anticipate the court striking this down. I think they take their responsibilities very seriously.
But, Scott, this isn't the first time the president has taken on the Supreme Court. In a State of the Union address 2 years ago, he lashed out at the justices for their decision in a campaign finance reform case. At the time, 6 of the justices were sitting right there in the audience.
Jan, thank you.